In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to an Indian bank account. To do this, I would recommend using Remitly. In my opinion, it's the easiest and cheapest way to do it. Now, if you want to use Remitly, just go to remitly.com and then set your country right here to Australia and make sure where it says to that it's set to India. Now from there, enter how much you want to send. And then for the delivery method, you can see you can just pick a bank deposit. This does come with a $1.99 fee, but from there you can then just gonna click on send. And then if you don't have an account yet, just gonna sign up. If you do already have one, you can sign in. So from there, again, gonna pick how much you want to send if it didn't transfer. For me, it's in euros since I'm from the Netherlands, but it works the exact same way. And for the delivery method, just pick bank deposit and then select whichever bank they use, for example, HDFC Bank, and then you can choose your payment method right here. From there, click continue, and then you will need to enter your recipient's bank details, as well as their first and last name, and any other relevant details, such as why you are sending the money, and if you select a credit card, you will need to enter your credit card details. Eventually, you will come to an overview. From there, just going to check if everything is correct, and if it is, going to pay for it, and then you will also see how long it takes for it to show up in the recipient's bank account, which often is only about 15 minutes. So now you know how you can send money from Australia to an Indian bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.